Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be looking at the bearish bullish rejection strategy. Okay, so if you've noticed what a rejection is, today's video we'll be talking about how to combine the bearish bullish rejection strategy together with our order block. Okay, so already if you've been following me for a while now, then definitely you will know what an order block is, okay, and also what a rejection is. So in today's video you'll be combining the bearish and bullish rejection strategy together with the order block. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now and show us how to use this strategy. Okay, remember it's a combination of the bearish and the bullish rejection strategy together with the order block. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do before we quickly show us the strategy is to put our stop loss and our take profit. Okay, as always this is how we want to be trading. Okay, so remember that before now, that on the 4-hour time frame, remember whenever you are doing your analysis you want to stick to the daily and the 1 hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame. Okay, remember the daily is a higher time frame and the 4 hour is also a higher time frame, and these are very strong higher time frame that we want to see what the market is doing. So if we don't get to see what the market is doing on the daily time frame, maybe we don't know how to identify the trend, then we want to go to the 4-hour time frame and identify the trend. Okay, so we are on the 4-hour time frame now, and we are going to know that from the 4-hour time frame, when we look to the left, we'll see that this market has been buying. Okay, so this is like a bullish market. Okay, remember that this was like the last low here and then the last low. Okay, and then before you know, markets took out this highs here and then this highs here. Okay, so this suggests to us that our market is already in an uptrend. Okay, and then when you bring out your arrow tool, you want to note that here because you are going to see it clearly. Okay, so this is just a simple way to identify an uptrend. Okay, remember that you don't need any fancy robots, you don't need any indicator to be able to know what an uptrend or a downtrend is all about. Okay, and then when we notice this, we started noticing that price have started, kind of like buying and retracing, buying and retracing. Okay, so you can see the first buy here and then the retracement level here. Okay, and then you can see the next buy here and then the next retracement. Okay, and then this is like the next buy here and then the retracement. Okay, now this is our order block we are talking about here. Okay, so remember an order block as always is always the last candle before a buy or sell. So in this case, this is our last candle before the buyer, so this is like a bullish order block. Okay, so we are just going to highlight it. Okay, so when we highlighted this order block level here, okay, you will notice that when price got to this order block level, there was like a strong rejection. Okay, so it is inside this particular candlestick that we are going to look for this bearish bullish order block rejection strategy. Okay, we are going to look for the bearish and bullish rejection strategy. Okay, so what we want to do now is, after we notice that price has come to this order block here and then price, you can see the rejection here, the rejection, guys. So price is rejected at this level. So before price was tapped for this buy, we can go to the 1 hour time frame to see things clearly. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is where the rejection actually started from. Okay, this is where the rejection actually started from. Okay, but if you notice that this is like a buy. Okay, I said I wanted to add the stop loss and the take profits. Okay, so let me quickly do that now, so that I'll just use a very tight stop loss, and then the stop loss will be a very tight stop loss because I don't expect price to come back anywhere here. Okay, let me just leave it at $4. Remember this is volatility 100 and it is somehow volatile. Okay, depending on your account size and your lot size. Okay, so this is just like a token of what you want to be doing. So let me just add it up and put the stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, and then we can always adjust our take profits to be somewhere above here. Okay, so our take profits will be like this will be like our take profits. Okay, so this is like 22. Okay, let's just adjust it. Let's put it at somewhere around 5 here. Okay, So it's like 1 to 4, okay, which is also okay, right? So this is how we want to do our analysis, okay. So we've been able to enter this trade already. Now the next thing we want to do is to see that price is kind of like rejecting now. So I don't know, maybe it's coming to maybe test somewhere on maybe the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, there's like an order block here, so definitely price wants to test this order block at this particular level here. So if price tests the order block, then it should start going up definitely, okay. So I don't expect price to break below this order block, because price has, this is like a trend line now, okay. This is like a trend line liquidity sweep, okay. So I don't expect price to like you know come back. So price is kind of like coming back to test that level. And then remember, this is like a factor of confluence, okay. Whenever you have a trend line like this break and price creates an order block, price start moving up, price wants to test that order block together with this trend line, okay, before it starts going up, okay. So I might even just decide, if price should come here and I see a rejection inside this level here, I might decide to take another buy, okay. But for now, let me just hold this trade and continue with our explanation, okay. So what we want to do now is to go to the 30 minutes time frame, so that we can see clearly the bearish bullish rejection, okay. So what we'll notice is, before this breakout, okay, because you can see that this was like a very strong breakout here, okay, taking out this liquidity level, okay, at this place. So what we'll notice is that price created a bearish candle here, okay. Remember, this was the bearish candle we are talking about, okay. And then this was like the bearish candle, price came and tapped into that order block, and then we now notice that what price started buying, okay. So this was the bullish rejection. Remember, it is a bearish bullish rejection, okay. And then price started like buying, okay, and then price closed. And then the next candle we see is price opening here, okay. And then this was like a continuation of the bearish bullish rejection, okay, after price close and price open. So this was like a continuation, and then price had to take out the previous high here, okay. And then you can see that this buy now is activated, and you can see price broke out of this trend line, okay. And then when price broke out, this is where we are now. So if price should come to this level, I might decide to take another buy, okay. But for now, I'm just going to hold myself. So guys, this is how you want to trade using the bearish rejection, okay. Should in this case here, you can see something similar, okay. This was like a bearish bullish rejection, and then price failed to take out this high here, okay. If you see, you always see it, and then over and over again in the chart, okay. So this is how you want to do. Make sure you first of all test this out first on your demo account, okay. Now you can see that this is like a dragonfly or a doji, okay, whatever name you want to call it, but this is like a strong indication in the market that price wants to reverse. But I'm not going to take any sell here now, because this level is like, this is like price is like testing this order block here, okay. Remember, price is like testing this order block here, okay, that's bearish order block, okay. So price is kind of like wanting to reject, but my bias is still a buy, okay. Remember, we are like in a buy now, okay. So guys, I'll see you in my next trading video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so now. Kindly turn on your notification bell, and do well to share this video so that other traders can get access to this video, okay. So if you are seeing this video now, you can position yourself for a buy here, and maybe put your stop loss, so that you will be able to risk a little. So cheers guys, yeah, and I'll see you in my next trading video.